Let's take a look at what fits inside this cutie. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you what fits inside this little cute camera bag. I got this a couple of months ago for my birthday from my husband, and it's one of my cutest bags. This is the Doraemon Gucci collection. It is a collector's bag, but I believe Gucci has the same bag in the regular canvas. So I'll put a picture right here so that you can take a look. So I've got some requests to show you what fits inside this bag. If you're thinking about getting the regular version, or if you can find the Doraemon Gucci version, it is really cute, but yes, it is a very small bag. So I'm just gonna quickly swap over to another camera view and I'll show you what fits inside this bag. This is the Gucci Doraemon collaboration. If you're a big fan of Doraemon, you know that this is extremely adorable. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Let me just bring it up close, you can see. What is... He's got like a little heart in his eye. Happy, sleeping. Let's just take a look at the bag up close first. Oh my god. I love this one. This is so cute. It's got hearts in his eyes. Okay, so let's take a look at the bag. Now, it is a very small bag. Let me just take my measuring tape. As you can see, it's only about 7 inches long. In terms of height, it is 5 inches. As for width, it's only 2 inches. It is a really tiny bag. So let me just open it up. I've got stuffing inside. It has a really nice soft velvet interior here. And you can see for the limited edition one, it says Gucci, made in Italy, Fujiko Pro. It's a little bag, which I actually don't use this internal pocket. Okay, let's just see what I can fit inside. Things here, I've got my Kate Spade Saturday. It's like a card holder. It's quite flat, but it's quite like long. I have my 6 keyring holder, my Apple AirPods. This is an iPhone 6 and this is an iPhone 11 Pro. This I think cannot fit. Alright, but anyway, let me just show you just my regular things. I'm gonna put in my wallet. This is my wallet right now. It actually takes up quite a bit of space, but because it's quite flat, I still can put in another couple of things. 6 keyring holder, my Apple iPods, and yeah, it's getting tight. So now I'm gonna put my iPhone inside, and it's actually a bit of a squeeze. So let me rearrange that. As you can see, it has actually taken up a lot of space. The reason my phone takes up more space is because of the case, and because this bag is only 2 inches thick. It does make it a bit of a tight squeeze as I'm trying to slip things in. But I could, you know, just gotta adjust a little bit and then I'll put other things on top. So maybe I'll put another tissue here. But that's about it, you know, it doesn't really... You can't really put a lot of things. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out my iPhone 11 and I'm gonna put in my... Ooh, iPhone 6. It is tight. I could go in, but as you can see, it is... Let me just try. Actually, it's okay, but it is end to end. So if you are trying to take it out, it is a bit like, you gotta kind of like angle it to take out the phone, and it's kind of like a little bit annoying because you gotta adjust it. The only thing that I was hoping for this bag is the front pocket. I could put tickets or something that, you know, I need to easily access. So I'm gonna show you. What I love about my Longchamp is that I could put my EasyLink card, which is what I need for public transport, in and out at the front pocket. And I could even put like a card here. I can't put my phone, but it is something that I easily access. So I was hoping that this front pocket could do the same. However, it is quite shallow. So as you can see, so I can't go deeper than that. A bit of the card actually sticks out. EasyLink card actually has a case. So just the card on itself, as you can see, it sticks out just a little bit. Like all it needs is another couple of then it would be perfect. So even if I try to hide it under the zip like this, it's kind of not the most ideal. It works, but if you're trying to take things in and out fast, it is a little bit, you see, it's kind of like stuck now. It's kind of like a little annoying because you gotta like flip it in, pull it out. So the front pocket just needed to have a little bit more depth here. it still works, you know. I'm just saying that, you know, in times of a rush, I do need to be, you know, a bit more slow, I guess. So that's my really quick what fits inside this cute little bag. This is definitely a novelty bag, but if you're a person that doesn't carry a lot, like you don't carry even like full wallet like that, all you have is a card holder, you just have a few things, actually this is a decent size small bag. The front pocket is something that I personally wish there was a bit more depth in it. It would have been a bit more, like a bit better for me, but maybe some of you don't even use the front pocket. Maybe you just put your coins, maybe one key that you use there. It can be handy, you know, depending on what you want it to for. But for me, this is a little novelty bag, and you know, I love Doraemon. I have all the Doraemons up there. I have a real collection of Doraemons. Doraemon is one of my favorite characters ever, so yeah, definitely a collector's piece for me. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. Otherwise, everybody please take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!